Bakit daw hindi na ako naglalaro? Ako naglalaro ako.
Hindi ko naglalaro ako.
Nakakampanya eh.
Eh paano naman yung sa Philippines 4 years? Bago ako pumunta dito sa Philippines. Sinabi ko sa kanya. Ayan, ilang operan. Ayan na yung mukha ko ngayon. Ayan yung mukha ko. Lagyan ng anak. Pero kain ng mga Philippines na hindi na katulad dati yung Pilipinas. High-tech.
Manay.
Even I didn't think that was going to go in. That one. I know, even sometimes the ref is like, oh. Even sometimes the ref is like, oh. I know. We're not supposed to show any emotion, you know? Good one. Okay, ready, partner? Okay. All right, let's go, guys. Ready, set, let's go. Yellow and blue.
Everyone is complete here. So many players. So many players.
Max. Time. Time.
Oh. Okay. Minute. The first minute. The first
Last one. 20 minutes.
2 minutes. Then the first minute.
22.
Stop.
Start. Max. Start.
Come on. No, stopping clock.
Game on card.
Game on. Score, yes, 0, home, 3.
Yes, 0, home, 6.
Number 23. That's it, 29.
Guest player number 39, foul number 1.
Tap to auto. Miss. D. Hold on the ball. D. Better 3. And hold on number 38. 38. Hold on number 1. That's the number 30, 50 points. Nice combination number 1. You got 2 points, number 32. Back to number 38. Back to number 39, 33. Basket. 3-point shot by number 39.
Yes, 3, home, 8.
That 3-point.
Score, yes, 3, home, 11.
Around that. To number 1. Number 1. Back to man. Man. Around number 38. Number 30 to number 20, 34. Got 2 points. Nice combination by number
Score,
30.
yes, 5, home, 11.
Ako lang score. Ayun, no, nalagay. Nakita. Ako lang. Ano nangyari doon? Sino nakarito?
Number 39. Rebound number 38 to number 45. We got 2 points.
Score, yes, 7, home, 11.
Rebound number 20. We got 2 points. Nice ball out.
Score, yes, 7, home, 13.
Foul. 23. 2-3.
Home player number 23, foul number 1.
Rebound number 22.
Tie.
Yes, sir. Rebound number
Score,
23.
yes, 7, home, 16.
Blue. Time
Game
out.
clock off.
Yellow.
Guest timeout. 1 timeout left.
Nagpupusto si Manny. Gusto niya manalo ni Ino. Umayos na ako si Mari.
Ay!
Okay, Mr. Paul, maniligat. Alam ko yung pinapala ko. Back to the bogey. Yellow ball.
Sorry, gusto mo ka manalo eh. Para manalo.
Alam niya.
Kasakbasa rin mo eh. Kaya yan yung match eh. Kasakbasa rin mo.
Game walk on.
Number 30, pass to Jacob. Jacob. Nice shot.
Score.
Assist number
Yes.
38.
16.
2 points. Jacob. Number 39. Yes, sir. Another basket by number
Score.
39.
Yes. 11. Home. 16.
Wow. Oh, nice pass. Yes. Nice. And counter that. To better three. And three.
Score.
He got 2 points by Matt Brown.
19.
Number 30. Back to number 38. Pass to number 35 and 3. Basket. Easy basket.
Score.
Number 35.
Yes. 14. Home. 19.
Number 22. Got a foul basket. First foul.
Yes. 16. Home. 19.
22.
Home player number 22. Foul number 1.
A promise shot. Oh. What's the violation, bro? Correct. Oh. Another shot. Try again. What is your need?
Score. Guest. 17. Home. 19.
Then to Matt. In the round. Then. Oh. In the round. Without number 22. Again, back to number 1. Number 1 to Ben. Oh, the black. Rebound number 22. Andrew.
Hinahanap niya kasi sa foul. Make sure na ano niya. Kulang isa.
Wait, hold on. Hold on, Fred.
Committee. time out. Committee time out.
Okay.
Game clock off.
Okay.
Thanks, man.
Okay.
Score. Yes. 17. Home. 21.
Oh, you say. Then 1 point. Let's keep it. Rebound number 20. Whoa! Nice shot. Number 22.
Score. Yes. 17. Home.
Number
23.
22. 2 points. There's 3. Again. Number 22, the 3 around. Around number 13. And loose ball. Turnover. Stop, stop. Number 25 in, number 22 out. Number 21. 41. 41. Yellow.
Guest player number 41. Foul number 1.
Number 31. Oh. Rebound number 34. Settle. Oh, nice combination, Diego. You get 2 points, number 34.
Score. Yes. 19. Home. 23.
8 minutes, 8 seconds. Yeah, 2 points. Number 31.
Score. Yes. 19. Home. 25.
Checo. Back to number 38, 53. Basket. 3 points,
Score.
number 38.
Yes. 22. Home. 25. Game clock out.
Game team, they have 1 timeout left.
Home timeout. 1 timeout left.
Tutok na sumala pa.
Both teams, 1 timeout left. minutes, 20 seconds. Score 22-25 in favor of blue.
All right, let's go.
Back to the boogie.
Okay, here we go. Ball in.
Game walk-off.
Oh, yes. Without able to put the ball. Basket number 38. Oh. Again. Foul. 25. Blue. Foul number 25.
Home player number 25.
Personal
Foul
foul.
number 1.
Nice combination number 38. You got a 2 points number 34. 34.
Score. Guest 24. Home 25.
There are 3. Basket. 3 points number 38.
Guest 27. Home 25.
Dahil kaya na rin, Manny. Ayun mo. Hatak mo daw siya.
Rebound steal.
Guest 27. Home 28.
Ano, pati Manny?
Player. Blue, please. Alam. Sub.
Turnover.
No coaching for the rest of the
Benson. Oh, Christian. Still by Christian. Jacob. Back to Christian. 33. Basket. Number 45. We got a 3-point
Home
shot.
28.
3-point shot. Wow.
Sarap.
Rebound Jacob. 40 seconds. Jacob. Again, Christian. Number 22.
Big plan. Yun for the nagagawa ka ng left.
Jacob. Christian. Rebound number 22, 2 days back to number 22. Yes, sir. Got a 2 points. Nice combination by number 1. We got a 2 points number 22.
Home 30.
Saya. Score, 9, 13. Again. Oh, got a foul. Foul 24. Adam, 24.
Home player number 24. Foul number 1.
First personal foul, Adam. 3 minutes, 9 seconds.
Lason.
t-shirt, di ba? Ito to ba? Hindi ko nakita.
Malabo mo tayo yung dalawa.
Oh, another miss. Utang Adam, pass to number 22 to 8. Del. Utang Adam. Again. Nice shot. You got a bonus score. Bonus
Yes.
shot.
30. Home. 32.
45. White. Hit. One shot.
Bonus shot.
Guest player number 45. Foul number 1.
Number 34, pass number 34 to Jacob. Found by Adam. That's the number. Still by Jacob. Question. Oh man. Number 24. Number 1. Yes sir.
Yes. 30. Home. 34.
Blue ball.
Game clock off.
Time out. Yan.
Guest timeout. 0 timeout left.
Number 10 namatay yung yellow. May have 1 time namatay yung blue.
Christmas.
Tapos bayag. Ano yung bayagan, no?
Nabayagan na ako eh. Ilang beses na eh.
Again, 1 minute, 3 seconds. Score, 30-34.
Ah, practice mo. Ayun, no?
Sa TV.
Gusto mo gamitin mo? Hindi ko virus na.
Ayan, bakit pa pinapahinga? Eh, hindi naman humihinga. Non-living things.
Game clock on.
$50 seconds. Wow.
Wow.
First foul. 46. There go.
Guest player number 46. Foul number 1.
First personal foul. There go. 1.
May running time pala yan?
Score. Guest 30. Home. 35.
Ngayon lang, diba? Ada. Sige, 22.
Yeah. Hey, so you're right. Yes, I do.
Okay na, Andy Mine,
Yeah.
the ball game.
Ilang bola?
Yellow ball, yellow ball, yellow ball.
James Rockwell.
Foul. 39.
Guest player number 39. Foul number 2.
Miss. Rebound get. Oh. Ref. Number 22. The number 32. Wala pa rin.
I can't see.
Rebound number 38. Number 38. Number 44. The mess of Adam. Number 1, 2. Oh, it's a black.
Ay, yung laro nila, parehas din ang lumalabas dyan.
Okay.
Parehas.
Number 34, just one.
Score. Guest 32. Home 35.
Number 32 again.
Very smart yung mga taro.
And a miss. Yes, sir.
Tatlo sa Vegas eh. Bakit nilabas ka agad? Hindi pa ka umiinit eh. Tatlo sa Vegas eh.
Number 22. Oh, rebound. Miss. Rebound by rebound Deco. Number 22. Miss again. Rebound by number 46.
Number 26.
No. Recognize man. Number 23.
Score. Guest 32. Home
Diego.
38.
2 points. Number 46. Diego.
Score. Guest 34. Home 38.
Revelate the ball. Number 1. Pass to the web. But second. Oh, it's a black.
Yung sinasabi ko eh. Hindi mo kasi ako kinukuha eh. Hindi mo kasi kalaban mo ako. Hindi mo ako ginagawang best player dahil ako nagpapatalo.
Hindi mo na taon nag-sorte ba? Sa Kasilos na.
2 points, number 1.
Score. Guest
2 points.
34. Home 40.
Foul. Foul number 23. Man.
Home player number 23. Foul number 2.
Yes.
Score, guest, 35, home, 40. Score, guest, 35, home, 42.
Volleyball. Sa amin yan, silver yan. Lahat na kukuhanin mo, silver yan. Hindi sila maglalaro sa silver, hindi na sila maglalaro. JJ! Uy! Laro ka kami JJ! Laro ka na! Walang sila eh. Uy! Dadaan sa akin lahat yan mo. Dadaan sa akin lahat yan mo. Pagka nag-gossip na lao sa kanila, pwede sila maglaro. Pero huwag ka na maglaro, gawin na lang kitang agent.
Kaya, pakatingin mo na siya.
Ang problema, ikaw nga number 1 client.
Guest, 36, home, 42.
Ako agent ko, ako agent mo.
Ako, agent.
Another ring.
Score, guest, 37, home, 42.
Whoa, nice shot by number 38. You got a 2 points.
Score, guest, 39, home, 42.
Adam to them. B, the 3. Oh, rather. Again, rebound by Brett. Adam, the man. Another 3 points by Ryan. Man, Ryan.
Score, guest, 39, home, 45.
Shake ball. Yes, number 22. Blue.
Sa yellow. Sa yellow.
Yeah, bro. Next position, yellow. Another 3 points by man.
Guest, 39, home, 48.
Yeah, Hall of Fame.
Propaganda mo na naman ako. Gagamitin na naman ako nito. Puta talaga.
Hindi ikaw!
Score, guest, 39, home, 51. Game clock off.
I'm out. Blue.
Home timeout. 1 timeout left.
Yun! Sama ka!
Ay, hindi ba tayo?
Nag-i-starry ka pa. Time mo, 3 seconds. 3 seconds. 5 seconds.
5 seconds na?
Nilagyan mo 5 seconds. Rex mo naman sa akin. Meron ka palang cellphone eh. Let's go.
Let's go.
Bakit mo ka sa kanya, Max? Good.
Kahit na hindi mo nakikita, alam ko kung sino.
Kampanya naman isa.
Game clock off.
Nauwa mo na?
Kahit hindi ko nakikita, alam ko kung sino.
Mabait na tatay mo, kaya mabait na. Wait, ano ito?
70 na.
Pwede na mag-asawa!
Okay, bago na.
Oo, okay na. Next week, championship.
Okay. Putay na, napanood ko na yung sinabi mo yan.
Hey!
Wala kasi 10 max.
Kailangan na si Del. No pa for you!
Score, guest, 40, home, 51. Home player number, 28, foul number, 1.
Pasok.
Score, guest, 41, home, 51.
30 minutes, 9 seconds. 41-51. Pass to Christian. Christian, better 3. Basket. Nice work by Christian. 49, 3 points.
Score, guest, 44, home, 51.
Whoa, nice. Combination by number 1. 23, 2 points. Max.
Score, guest, 44, home, 53.
Number 30, pass to Gigo. Gigo, back to number 38, better 3. Around number 41. Oh. Hey. Wow, number 30.
38 foul.
Guest player number, 38, foul number, 1. Score, guest, 44, home, 54.
Rebound number 34. 11 minutes, 23 seconds. Christian, better 3. In a row. Substitution. Ball of yellow. Pass to number 24. Third ball. Yeah. Nice pass by Gigo. He got a miss.
Pagod na, magod si Tony.
Foul by Adam. Adam. Pass to number 22. Sino? Rebound Gigo. Christian. Back to number 13. Better 3. Whoa! Nice combination. Got it. 20. Number 20. 6
Score,
points.
guest, 44,
Damn.
home, 56.
Matt. Combination. Matt.
Si Matt, si Matt.
Wow, Adam. Oh! Then to man in round.
Sub.
Substitution. Sub. Foul. .38 foul. Foul 38.
Guest player number, 38, foul number, 2.
Second personal foul, number 38. Rebounds, number 35.
Score, guest, 47, home, 56. Score, guest, 47, home, 58.
Ano?
7 minutes 55 seconds. Number 22, survive.
Score, guest, 47, home,
Camera
60.
2.
Siya din.
Siya din. Number
Score, guest, 49, home, 60.
Wow. Foul rate, number 39.
Guest player number, 39, foul number, 3.
Third personal foul rate. After 2.
Ba't ganun?
Score, guest, 49, home, 61.
3, rate.
Game clock off. Game clock on.
Another rate.
Score, guest, 49, home, 62.
Man, number 25. Then, yellow. Yellow.
Game clock off. Guest timeout. 1 timeout left.
49-62, Federal Blue.
We never used to timeout this house. When? We never used to timeout this house too. They used the timeout. We went on a run. That's their second time. That's their second timeout.
Timeout earlier because we were kicking their ass. They called timeout first.
I don't know. 1 and 1.
We went on a run. We never used the timeout. They did. We were kicking their ass. They called timeout. And then they called timeout right there.
What do you guys have on timeout?
Team up, bro.
I gotta go by the books. It's 1-1. I gotta go by the books. I gotta go by the books.
Game clock on.
Number 35. Jacob.
24.
Number 35.
Score, guest, 52, home, 62.
Foul number 38.
Guest player number 38, foul number 3.
Get back in it, Bruce.
Oh. Am I gonna drive to the airport?
Better 3.
24.
Underway the ball. Again, better 3. Gomez.
24.
Labanada. Pass to number 22.
Space.
Send ball.
2 seconds. 2 seconds.
3 minutes, 40 seconds.
2 seconds. 2 seconds.
24.
3 minutes. Oh, it's a black.
24.
Way to number 34.
10 points.
Score. Guest 54.
56
Home 62. 24.
10. 2 men. Foul number 38.
Guest player number 38. Foul number 4. Warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty.
Game clock off.
Using the shot clock.
Game clock off.
10. Number 25. Water. Back to number 25. Gomez.
24.
Rebound number 22. To Matt. Wow! What a miss! Nice competition, but miss. Wow! Black.
Game clock off.
Tony, 8 points.
Yeah, go.
Game clock on.
1 minute, 5 seconds.
Game clock off.
Foul number 23. Man.
Tama?
Takes the ball.
Knock down to 3.
Game clock off.
Rain.
24.
Man. Ball by Brad on. Man. To number 22. Number 25. Back number 22. Foul.
Game clock off.
Foul Jacob 46.
Guest player number 46. Foul number 2. Penalty 2.
Penalty 2.
sila eh.
Hey, good foul, Jacob.
Game clock on. Game clock off. 24. Game clock off. Game clock off.
I had to rally you a little bit.
Guest player number 46. Foul number 3. Game clock on. Game clock off. Guest player number 46. Foul number 4.
Hey, good foul, Jacob.
One more foul, one more foul. Isang pole push.
Score. Guest 54. Home 63.
Got it.
Game clock off. Game clock off.
Hey, is there a third place fight? Who takes third?
Meron pa next week, di ba? Championship next week, di ba? Ano yung sumali? 8 to 9. 8 to 9.
What time are we playing on next Sunday then? 9 o'clock? There's no fight for third?
Ano? Wala ba?